Yeah, when you get a top tip that there's a peregrine falcon up on the top of Henley Church, you have to go and have a look. But what always surprises most people don't know what peregrine is, and let alone that they like to live in the top of churches. So yeah, spending most of my time explaining what the hell I'm doing here. But the peregrine is retired behind the balustrade, so at the moment I've got nothing to look at. Thank you very much to the very nice people at the Angel who've given me a coffee. Thank you, while I'm watching the book Peregrines. Well, what fun that was. Rainy day, got a tip to go and have a look at the peregrine in Henley, and saw the peregrine eat, saw the peregrine fly, saw the peregrine roost, and met the owner of the Angel, lovely chap, knew all about birding. And so yeah, Henley's got a couple of great new residents. What a good little afternoon trip that was. It's great for Henley to have some new resident peregrines, don't you reckon?